Upgrading a new home construction sump pump system with battery backup and alarms prevents costly flood damage and should be planned before finishing the basement. Select a reliable primary submersible pump size to move the expected inflow, typically one that can handle at least 40 gallons per minute for high saturation soils, and pair it with a battery backup system size to run the pump for a minimum of 12 hours under peak load, or connect to a standby generator if longer runtime is needed. Use a deep cycle sealed lead acid or lithium iron phosphate battery bank sized with a simple calc, multiply pump amp draw by desired runtime and add 20% for reserve, and include an intelligent charger to keep batteries at optimal state of charge without overcharging. Install a float-activated alarm that triggers both a loud local horn and a remote notification through cellular or Wi-Fi modules, so you get alerts when you are away, and make sure the alarm has a separate power source so it still sounds if the pump power is out. Fit a quality check valve on the discharge line to prevent backflow into the pit, and route discharge piping at least 10 feet from the foundation with proper slope and erosion control to prevent water return and soil saturation near the footing. Use rigid pipe for the vertical drop and flexible hose only where necessary to reduce the chance of kinks and clogs, and include a removable cleanout at a low point to clear debris without dismantling the system. Make a simple maintenance plan to test the entire system monthly by pouring water into the basin until the primary pump runs. Confirm the backup engages on simulated power loss, inspect the check valve for free movement, and record run times and battery voltage so trends reveal degradation before failure. Common mistakes include undersizing the backup battery, which leaves homeowners with only minutes of protection instead of hours, so calculate amp draw and runtime and choose a battery with margin to avoid false economy. Homeowners often forget to install a separate alarm power source, so the alarm is dead during a power outage. Fix that by wiring the alarm to the battery backup or an independent small battery with automatic charging. Another frequent issue is improper discharge routing, where water returns to the foundation because the pipe ends too close or lacks slope. Extend discharge at least 10 feet and slope it away from the house, and add a splash block or rock bed to prevent erosion. BigHomeProjects.com connects this topic to real-world help by letting us find local contractors who can install pumps, backups, and alarms, and show us community discussions about what worked in similar soil and basement conditions. We help contractors find work by listing projects and facilitating homeowner questions so everyone can share experiences and practical tips.